It is the Friday edition of The Law and You. We've made it to April, and back with us our favorite attorneys, Greg Fellerman and Ed Ciarimboli. Guys, nice to see you.
Well, before we start, I want to wish my mom and my son Jacob both birthdays. Their birthdays are this weekend. So happy birthday, Mom. Happy birthday, Jacob.
Weekend. Yep. Happy birthday. And here's our question tonight for The Law and You, and this one is from Mark in Scranton. Mark says, I was driving my motorcycle last weekend when a driver pulled out from a driveway and I went over the hood. I broke my arm and banged my head pretty hard, and I did not have a helmet on. I am worried about my head because my memory seems off. Can I sue for head injury even though I wasn't wearing a helmet? And the obvious issue here, guys, would be that he probably should have had a helmet no matter what happened.
Should have had a helmet. You should have absolutely had a helmet. I mean, you still, you weren't at fault for this. You are still going to be able to, you are still going to be able to have a case, but, the reality is, your injuries may have been lessened if you had a helmet on. You could have some. I mean, there could be some, contributory negligence or comparative fault here because of you didn't wear the helmet. I mean, if I was defending the case, it's certainly something that I would be saying.
Well, that's exactly what that begs the question. If you have to try this case, a defense lawyer is going to get up and say, well, he didn't have his helmet on, maybe he should have. Or, a juror could be sitting on that jury thinking, well, why didn't you have your helmet on? And that could affect your case. So I guess even though they're not required under Pennsylvania law, it could be a factor at the end of the day evaluating your case. I like your case better, but I mean, you have to think it through. I mean, there could be somebody on a jury could say, hey, maybe you should have his helmet on. I want to give him less.
All right, our viewers want to talk to you for legal advice. How can they reach you?
Give us a call, 570-714-HURT. See us on the web, 714hurt.com.
Or if you have a question about, motorcycle, law or automobile, crashes, or even, the helmet law, put it on our Facebook page. We'll do our best to answer it on an upcoming segment.
Results matter. Attorneys Greg Fellerman and Ed Ciarimboli. Guys, thanks. We'll see you tomorrow morning.
You got it.
All right, PAHomepage.com and the Law and You hotline are always open.